Welcome all of you. Today we are discussed about the numericals based on the polyphase AC circuit. Numerical number 3. A balanced star connected load consists of 3 resistances, each of 4 ohms connected to 400 volt 3 phase 50 Hz supply. Find first phase voltage, second phase current, third line current, fourth power consumed. In this example, given load is star connected load, which consists of 3 resistances, each of 4 ohm. That is 3 resistances connected in 3 phase system, balanced star connected system. Each resistance of 4 ohm resistance. Okay, therefore the value of RPH, resistance per phase, equal to 400 volt, which is connected in 400 volt 3 phase 50 Hz AC supply. The voltage given to the 400 volt, which is supply voltage, that is 400 volt supply is line voltage. Supply 50 Hz, phase 50 Hz. 50 Hz means frequency is equal to 50 Hz. So calculate the phase voltage, phase current IPH, line current IL, and power consumed P, that is active power. Now we see the diagram. 3 resistances, that is, suppose this is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. Okay, therefore the value of these 3 resistances are same, that is 4 ohm, that is R1 4 ohm, R2 4 ohm, and R3 also 4 ohm. Okay, this is star connection, therefore here the current passing through the load resistance, which is line current, is equal to the phase current. For flowing of current, only one path is present. Here first path, okay, for current of IY, that is line current I1 passing through the R2 and line current IB passing through the R3. Therefore the flowing of current only one path for each line. Therefore phase in star connection load, line current is equal to the phase current, and here neutral is available in star connection, therefore phase voltage is different and line voltage is different. Therefore in star connection system, line voltage is equal to root 3 times phase voltage, that is VPH is equal to VL by root 3, or line current is equal to the phase current. Phase voltage is equal to VL divided by root 3, line voltage divided by root 3. Line voltage is 400 and divided by root 3. The answer of this comparison, this division, is equal to VPH is equal to 230.94 volt. The value of phase voltage is equal to 230.94 volt. Now we calculate the value of IPH. IPH is equal to VPH divided by ZPH. Here if VPH we are already calculated, but value of ZPH is unknown. Therefore in example, the star connected load, only resistive element is connected on each phase, which is value is 4 ohm. Therefore the value of ZPH is equal to RPH, that is 4 ohm. So the calculation of IPH is equal to 230.94 by 4, that is 230.94. This is voltage and 4 is the resistance or impedance. The answer of this comparison division is equal to 57.735 ampere. Current is 57.735 ampere. Now we calculate the value of IL. IL is equal to IPH in star connection load. Therefore here value of IL, that is line current, it is equal to 57.735 ampere. In this example only resistance is present, therefore ZPH is equal to RP. Now we calculate the 3-phase active power P. The formula for 3-phase active power P is equal to root 3 into VL into IL into cos phi. It is 3-phase active power, in which the value of cos phi is equal to unity, because three-phase load contain only resistive element, so that the purely resistive circuit, the power factor is unity and the phase angle is 0, that is voltage and current are in phase with each other. Therefore three-phase power is equal to root 3 into VL, that is 400, into IL, that is 57.735 ampere, into cos phi, that is power factor is unity. The answer of this calculation is equal to three-phase active power is equal to 39,999.981 watt. That is, it is approximately equal to 40,000 watt, that is 40 kilowatt. The example is completed. Thank you.